income tax. It's the last section on commercial arithmetics, that is book 3. First of all, before we talk about what income tax is, I just wrote some keywords that we will be encountering each and every section in this topic. What are taxes generally? Taxes, these are compulsory contributions made by anyone in a country, as long as you're a citizen in that country or you're doing business in that country. These contributions are made to the government revenue, and the government is able to develop, pay its workers, do a few projects using the taxes you and me pay. Taxable income is simply the amount of money you earn that a tax can be levied on. Well, this is less any special allowance. Well, tax relief is just an incentive created by the government to lower the amount of tax you owe them. Some of this relief can be in the form of personal relief. Well, everyone in Kenya is entitled to a personal relief of 1056 Kenya shillings per month. It means from the amount of tax you're supposed to pay, well, the government takes away 1056 shillings less. Get to know more about that when we handle example questions on income tax. Everyone who is working anywhere, as long as you're employed and you're earning a salary, you're supposed to be contributing some money to the government. And that is what this pay means. As long as you're working, you have to pay the government. It's a no-brainer. There are cases or instances when you or me can be employed by the government and we are given special benefits in the form of houses, vehicles, and other luxuries. As long as you're staying in a government house, there is a special way in which your income is supposed to be treated, so that when you will be paying taxes, you'll be paying taxes like every other Kenyan out there. Now, there is an amount you're supposed to be paying for the house which the government will be providing you with. In that house, you'll be paying something called a nominal rent. Nominal rent is just a subsidized rent. For instance, in a house where you are supposed to be paying 15,000 Kenya shillings as a rent, if that is a government house and the government has given you that house where you are supposed to be staying as you work for them, then you'll pay something called a nominal rent. Now, instead of paying that 15,000, you'll even be requested to pay 2,000 Kenya shillings. In short, 15% of your basic salary in the housing package is supposed to be added to the salary for the purpose of calculation of taxes. That is just an introductory part of what we are going to handle throughout this session of income tax. I hope you'll have a lot of questions to ask, because I will be there to answer all of them. We will get to enjoy as much of this topic as possible. Let us meet in the second tutorial. Bye.